negotiating team arrives in Brussels to kick off what's been described as a nasty trade roundup amid fears that Brexit blockade Channel ports unless they get the fishing concessions that they want. News of the weather also hits the headlines today. Snow is on the way. 900-mile-wide front arrives from Greenland with ice warnings ahead of the -9 Celsius freeze and 232 flood alerts still in place. So what a start to the year it has been. So those are some of the stories that are making the national headlines this afternoon. What we want to hear from you is a quite tricky one, actually, is the headlines that are coming well, surrounding the Irish red and white settlers. They are the first that looked at attempt